If you're wondering if you can file a roof insurance claim, the answer is yes, always. You can always file a claim if you'd like to find out what's going on with your roof. If you've had heavy winds and you see shingles on the ground, or if you see or hear potential things striking your roof and you believe that there's damage, you should contact your insurance company to get them to come out and take a look at it. The alternative is to call a public insurance adjuster. That's me. I'm Robert Mack, and what I do is work for you, and I would be the one to come out and look at your roof, make a decision as to whether there was damage on that roof, and if there was damage on that roof, help you to file that insurance claim to get your roof repaired or replaced. If you have any questions about this, if you'd like to schedule a free consultation, please feel free to reach out to us at the number below.